Everybody, I am going to do Gluebook Sunday, but you're probably going, well, why is there a candy bar? You know how I recommended lemon Oreos? Well, this is another one that's right up there. Reese's Oreo. Oh my gosh, you guys, you can't just eat one. Thank goodness I don't have to. There's 2 to a package. It's got the filling of... So, I wanted to share that. Okay, but let's get going on what we were going to go on. So this is what I've done so far in my glue book. This was last week's graphic 45. And this week, sorry, I took a bite. I got out. I have yet to use this. I was so excited about this book. The Mary Engelbreit sticker book. I can't talk. I know a lot of us got it. It was out there. I got it on Amazon a long time ago. Look at all these fun teapots. So it has matching paper to go with the stickers. Baby. I think I'm finding it. I like the sunflowers. But do they have that in the back? Because I don't want to use... That's kind of weird because they got the stickers on one side. Oh, look at that. So it's got papers in the back. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Oh, this is a cute Christmas wrapping. There you go. Let's see if it has any... I wanted the sunflowers. I don't know. Okay, well, let's see what we can do here. See what I mean? Here's one side, and the other side's the... I don't like that. How do you... Okay, anyway, get over yourself, Kim. What should we do? I need to decide. Isn't this a fun little book, though? I'm going to use this more than once for my glue book. Kind of more like a stick. Oh, look at her. Oh, gosh. All right, I need to pick out my paper first, and then I'll come back. But yeah, see if... I don't know if you've seen this. It's probably still on YouTube. Oh, look at this little girl. Sorry, I'm totally off base here. I'm going to move ahead. You're all like, why aren't you making the glue book? That's why we're here. Okay, here I go. So now I got to pick a paper. Ooh, I kind of like that. Oh, I really like that, of course. Like my cherries, lemons. What to do? I think I'm going to do... I think I'll do this one. It's kind of neutral. I think it'll be good for our... Oh, and they're perforated. Okay. So my book is a 4x4 that I got at Michael's a while back on clearance or something. So the papers themselves, the pages are 3 3/4. So that's what we're going to do for that. So I'll cut this out. Ooh, cute. Okay. I think I'll do the same for this one. Same page, I mean. On both sides. It's a 2-page layout, don't you know? So there's that. And I'll put these back in the book somehow. Now to decorate them. So much fun. Alright, so let's have this out so we can kind of go, okay, that would go. I don't like watching live videos after the fact, so I don't really want to do a live video. Home sweet home. I think I saw stuff back here, that girl and stuff that I wanted in it. Okay, hang on, guys. Sorry. I am really not... Oh, I need this one. That's one of my don't look back. I say I have things, don't look back. You're not going that way. Encouraging signs, you know. If you've been through anything... Now this is, I'm making a commitment like right away because, yeah. Oh, see, she's too big, I think. So far we got that. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the cute Scotty dog. I'm going to get the Scotty dog out. He's adorbs. He wants to go on the walk with her. These are outlined with, you know, on white mat, so some people don't like that. I don't really worry about it too much. We need a heart here. Cute. Let's see. So far we've got this on one page. Sorry, I get absorbed into the pictures. They are so cute. Oh my gosh. Too much of a good thing is wonderful. That's cute. That's right. Too much of a good thing is wonderful. You can never have too much of a good thing, right? Well, probably, but anyway. Quit arguing with yourself, Kim. Okay, let's see here. What do we need? We need something up, I feel like, in the corners. I think I'll do this guy. This funky flower sticker. I always like to have something at least on one of the pages, because I've done all three of these. This is my third one. I always, you know, I'm a professional. No, I'm kidding. Anyway, but when I make cards and stuff, somehow have a sentiment on there somewhere. Okay. Oh, wait. You know what? This funky looking little tulip that's bent over would be... would that work? No, that won't work. How about the little cute little white daisy? Oh, boy. Just ripped it. Okay, we're going to stop there with this one. Let's get on to the next one. Decide what we're going to put there. Okay, let's keep perusing. Oh, look at those Scotty dogs. I didn't have a Scotty, but I had a, it was black like that, Cinders, and she was my dog for many, many years. Anyway, and she looked like we cut her hair. My mom had her hair cut like a Scotty dog, so. Okay, so we got this next to it. Got a Scotty dog. Something big here to imagine is everything. So, oh my gosh. This is next week's. If I can remember that long, right? Seriously. Okay, so what do we want on the other page? I'm not a real big fan of the mushrooms. Look like kind of weird. I think I'm just going to do this because I have a sentiment on the other page. And this is round like this one. And a little Scotty dog. Okay, okay. Got the major decision done. And now, I think I'll put this butterfly here on there. Cute. This is fun. I gotta say, it's just fun. It doesn't have to be a rhyme or reason to it. It's just for fun. I don't know. Does it have sentiments in here at all? I was thinking I need something kind of going across. I could get a ribbon or something. Oh, I know what I'll do. These aren't two-sided. Oh, they are. Yeah. No. Nope, not gonna do it. Oh my goodness. I could use the caterpillar. He's going the direction I want. Not really any sentiments, are there? That I'm looking. Hopes. Okay. No. Oh, here. Let's see. Ooh, this is really busy. No. I was thinking one of these would work, but not really. Although this is pretty wild, pretty out there. I think I'm going to use this. I'm just going to keep going. I'm not happy with it, but oh well. I have many weeks to create ahead. Okay. So I'll go like this. Am I even in frame? Probably not. Okay. Wrap it around. Wrap it around. And there we go. I used Merry Angle Bright, finally. Alright, guys. Not my most exciting one, but next one will be, I think, with that Halloween setup. Fun, fun, fun. Take care. Bye.